pure institutional capital, so private equity capital in the last 10 years has gone from $3 billion of exposure in farmland to $30 billion.
Okay.
Still tiny. It's a $3 trillion asset class. So
right.
A point of it is professionalized now.
What about in the US? How much is that?
Globally, farmland's about $9 trillion. So I'm just speaking to the US market.
US. Here. Okay. So it's still only a point.
That's right. On top of that, there's then family offices, which are much more difficult to measure. There are some large endowments, some pension funds, churches, and then family offices that have been buying hand over fist. I think the most notable in the press anyway has been the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, buying very large tracts and deploying hundreds of millions of capital into farmland. They see it the same as we do. It's it seems to be at least a good store of wealth, a good preservation mechanism.
So tell me, is the bear market, the 15 to 20% down trend we've had in the markets in the last 2 weeks, is that good or bad for you?
We have seen a marked improvement in our website traffic. I'll say that. So